tulog pa si Kai. Hindi na patutulog. Pero nagigising-gising kasi siya, nagdidete and everything. Good morning! Wake up na, my dudong. We need to go na.
Mommy, which one should I eat? Mommy, which one should I eat?
Gising na siya,
Mommy,
guys.
can I eat the caramel one? Or
Yeah,
the
caramel one.
caramel?
Good morning, my dudong. Today is Monday, guys. So, umalis na si na mama kaninang umaga. Oh, what happened? So, pauwi na sila ng province and we're staying here. So, maglo-laundry din kami today kasi wala na kaming damit na susuot eh. Yung dinala ko lang kasi mga like 9 sets of clothes. Yung mga bata meron pa. Ito si Kai paubos na yung mga sleeveless niya. Puro long sleeve na tira.
Okay. Mom, you want to eat some too?
So, he needs
Mom, you want to eat some too?
You don't have spoon.
Yeah, we can use the Nutella one. We can wash it now.
What happened to your nose? Nabangga niya yung nose sa drawer, guys. Ayan, namumula ang nose. Ayan.
Mommy, but I can just wash that spoon, then I can just wash it, then I can eat it like this, right, really, dear?
Yeah, maybe. Daddy checked the spoon last night. The one that he used. I think it's still in there. Kaya paalis na kami. Actually, gusto ko nang umalis. Kasi late na. Mag-12 na, guys.
Actually, a great idea. So let me wash it, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's now 11:51. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Let's get ready, guys. Mia, we're going na. You wanna eat ice cream pa? Yung batang to. Kay. Umuulan na naman. It's raining again. Kami na lang tatlo natira sa car. Punta tayo ng laundry shop. So, doon muna tayo mag-stop. And then, we go to sa cafe ata. Puntahan natin. It's raining again, guys. Ating ko ulan all day. So this week parang uulan talaga every day. It's okay, don't need to put seatbelt. G&H Laundromat ata. Pangalan ng laundry shop. G&H. What you want? Say hi to my camera.
Mommy, can I watch on your phone just for a little bit?
I'm using my phone. I need to call Auntie soon.
Oh, babe, can I just watch on your phone just for 1 minute?
Are you listening?
Okay. When you're done calling Auntie, then can I watch on your phone for a little bit? Okay. Mommy can still have a little in your back. Inside here.
Nakain niya itong breadstick ko. Pinili ng lola niya kahapon. No. Pangalawa niya na yan. Gustong gusto niya. Medyo siya, soft. Sarap yan, Kai. Gusto mo yan, Kai? Tapos na kami dun sa laundry shop. And now, kain tayo lunch. Kasi
Mommy,
wala
can
pa
I
kaming
watch on
lunch.
your phone now?
Oh, yes, you can. Hindi ko alam saan kami pupunta actually. Kasi si Ian yung nag-book na to. So, hindi ko alam.
Mommy,
We will see when we get there. Yeah. Ba.
Kai's playing with my socks.
Yeah. Put it back. We can't leave it in the hotel. Silly. Naglaro kasi siya kahapon dun sa playground,
Mommy,
diba?
can I watch on your phone? Where is it?
Kailangan niya
Mommy, where's
bumili
your
ng socks.
phone?
Dala-dala ko
It
pa
said I can watch on your phone.
Yes, wait lang. Mommy is talking. Ito, dala-dala ko pa din.
But it have my money.
Kai wanna sit as well.
Dad,
Sit,
guess
ikaw.
what? I have money.
Could you put this in my bag, please? Where did you get it from? Put it back.
I took it out with the
Tatayo. Hold lang kay mami. Mahulog ka.
This kind
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive it down.
Dito kami sa parang groceryhan. Tapos may mga pagkain, guys. Tingnan niyo. Ang ating kayo. Abot ng abot. Nakapunta na ako ng Watsons. And nabili na ako, guys. Ayan, oh. Yan na yung nabili ko. Nakita ko kumakain ng pizza. Saan kaya yun? What's that? Tteokbokki. Parang Korean naman ito. Andun yung pizza nila sa dulo. Parang ang sarap ng mga bread nila. Parang gusto ko tong croissant na may cheese. We'll get the cheese. How about you? What do you want?
Okay, we can eat together on the one cheese and one.
Here, come in.
One cheese and one this.
Okay. And that one?
One. Okay.
Yeah. Hoy, bakit umiiyak na? Kain tayo. So, pizza ang in-order na. I have parang mozzarella cheese ata. Hawak ko si Kaya. Ang hirap ng vlog. Tapos bumili kami ng drink dyan. Dyan. Naka-display. Ay. Mahulog. Si Mia na yung nakaupo sa stroller. Look! What's that? Kay! Kay! Kumain na siya, guys. Yeah, sit down here so mommy can feed you. Ay! It's hot! No! He's happy now. He's got food. Okay. Kain tayo.
This is my money. No, I want pizza.
So hard to eat this one. How do you eat this one? So big. That's actually good. Yeah. Those people like the pizza place.
They never get some.
That's my money. I only have one. That's money.
Ay, doon siya.
I got two money.
How much is that? How much? 5,000 plus 1,000 and 1,000 total. How much? Five plus one. Yeah. 6,000. Oh, so big. Yeah.
pass up but to let us know. Let it go.
Dito kami sa is it Me Cafe? Me Cafe. Yung may mga teddy bear, guys. Ayan, nakita ko to sa TikTok eh. Ayan, oh. Tapos dito sa kabila, puro pink. Ayan, dito kami sa kabila. Ayan sila. Oh. Ito yung puro pink. Tayo, guys. It's so tiring to go and to ferry, guys.
Look at that.
Oh, nice. What's the best seller?
Auntie.
No! Auntie, auntie! No! Is that him? My friend?
Oh, really?
I wanna try.
I recommend you order.
Okay. Again, more. Oh, okay.
This combo.
Flower. Panakota.
Yeah, panakota. Oh, panakota. But this combo with fresh fruit.
Oh.
Like the picture I saw you before.
Hi! Hello! Dito na lang kami umupo.
Come here. Stay here with me.
Hello! Dito sila. Nag-vlog ako. Gusto niya kumain. Oo, okay. Oh. Hello, Maxine! Excited Why? Iba naman yung trip niya. Magsira ng plant. Naka-picture na kayo? Hi to tita!
Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 문제되지도 멈추지도 않아. 'Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 bathe. 향기 가득한 로션 촉촉해져. I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it a day by day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, it's alright to be right. 'Cause yeah. 뒤투어 한개한 바깥만 말했던 날 그 바랬던 내 장소원 이룬다 너의 문제 사탕 같은 말 숨을 수 없는 payday 'Cause I want coffee, yes, we go on and on like and on. But I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it a
Nakadede na
Okay,
ang
sir.
ating anak. Hindi man natulog.
Let's just some ceremony.
Mabebe boy lang. Mabebe boy lang na. La la la.
Love me more, baby, love me more. Love me more, baby, love me more. 빛이 나를 감싸줄 때 너의 품 안에 난 너가 있어 I'm all yours, yeah. 너의 향기가 나의 맘을 채워대 나의 가끔은 헷갈려 근데 분명한 건 baby I like you 계속 표현해 It's true 정답 같은 건 없어 너도 같은 기분일까 We got chemistry 너 알잖아 Baby love me more Love me more, baby love me more Love me more, baby love me more Roller coaster 애원한 것처럼 터질 것만 같아 널 볼 때 아닌 척해도 다 알아보는 것 같아 망설임은 no more 알아차릴 수 없게 감출 필요는 없어 있는 그대로 널 보는 내겐 싫은데 We got chemistry 너 알잖아 Baby love me more Love me more, baby love me more
Hey!
Love me more, baby love me more 어느샌가
Tignan nyo, dito na kami sa park. Naglakad kami dito, guys. Si Mia to, tapos nandun si Maxine. Tulog pa din si Kai Kai. Tignan. Ay, gising na. Gising. Wait for Maxine, wait.
Stay here. Go with me.
Go, go! Go, go, go!
Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 bathe 향기 가득한 로션 촉촉해져. My cocoa bomb. Oh, I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it a day brighter day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just.
Let me have you, okay?
Go, go, go. Go.
Do you want me have you?
No, slow, babe.
Let me have her.
Well, Auntie will ride with you.
Yeah. Let me have you.
Oh, shh. Ay, mahulog ka man dong. No, Kai. No, Mama's here. Hello, people. Dito kami sa park. And si Mia ay nag-ride ng car. Automatic ride. Ano ba ito tawag dito, guys? Basta nagising na to. Maxine! Mia! Andun sila, oh. Mia! Mia, here, mommy! Mia! Mia! Hi, ate! Oh!
Come here, baby! Come here, come here! Come to my auntie! Hello people! We are back sa hotel. Waiting for daddy. Plano namin mag-dinner dyan sa baba ng hotel kasi parang ang bago-bago. Kaya lang close sila pagdating namin guys. 7 pa lang close na sila. Hindi ko alam bakit sila nag-close at this time. So, dito namin alam saan kami kakain. So, 7:51 na. Waiting na lang for daddy to decide kung saan kami kakain. Ang sakit ng lalamunan ko. So, nag-init ako. Nag-boil ako ng water dyan. At sana mag-okay. Tapos parang sisipunin ako, guys. So, I don't know. So, naman tayo sakitin dito. Kasi I don't have my medicine. So, pumunta ako ng Watsons kanina. And ito yung mga nabili ko, guys. I'll show you. Ang dami pa nilang pa-freebie sa akin. Kasi grabe naman talaga mag-sale yung Watsons dito. Half price sila. So, they gave me this towel. Tapos yung tote bag. Pakita ko mamaya. And, bumili ako ng ito para sa akin to. So, nakita ko parang, siya, popular siya dun. Naka-sale din siya. So, I got this Baby Bright na roller for the eye bags. So, ito yung binili ko. 5-HYA and peptides. Firming Eye Roller Serum. So, serum pala siya. And then, may pa-free ako sa Anessa kasi yung products na binili ko is Anessa, guys. So, sunscreen, skincare gel, SPF 50 plus, 4 pluses, PA 4 pluses. Ayan. So, maliit lang siya na version nila. Andito talaga yung binili ko. Yung Anessa na pink. Kasi ito yung request ng kapatid ko. So, binabilan ko kasi mas mura dyan. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 guys. 10 yung binili ko. Kasi naka 120,000 Vietnamese dong siya. So, equivalent siya $24.35 sa Australia. And pag nabili mo siya dun sa shop sa Australia, it's about mga $49 daw. So, since naka-half price yung Watsons, ayun. And mas mura pa din siya, guys. Kahit naka-half, kahit hindi sila naka-half price, mas mura pa din sila. Pero pag sa YesStyle mo siya binili, $43 lang. So, mura din sa YesStyle. Pero mas mura yung dito. Lang siya, parang 41, $42. So, itong sunscreen na to is good for pregnant women and breastfeeding. Ito yung recommend ng clinic sa lahat. Sa parents ko, sa kapatid ko. Kasi doon na kami nagpapa-facial sa kanila, guys. Kasi maganda doon. So, yeah, they also sell this. Kaya lang yun nga, mahal sa kanila. So, yeah, I've got 10 of this. So, ayun, napa-shopping ako kanina sa Watsons kasi naghahanap nga ako ng yung brand na to. And yeah, I will use these. So, yeah, meron pa akong pa-free. Yung gustong-gusto kong ginagamit ngayon is yung from Sunplay na Aqua Play. Ano ba yung tawag? Basta yun siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. So, nung 2023 na pumunta kami dito, tinay ko to, yung Skin Aqua Sunplay. And gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. CC Milk siya. And may coverage siya, pero very light lang, which I like. So, meron siyang SPF 50, 4 na pluses. And 5 times protection. Perfect CC base. Ayan. So, meron siyang 12-hour oil clear, 80 water and sweat resistant. Tapos, 2 times skin brightening pa siya. Meron siyang 5 times protection from UVA, UVB, HEV, which is the blue light, bacteria, and oxidants. Yeah. So, yan. Ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Nakasale din siya actually sa sa Watsons. So, if I go back there, I forgot to buy one for myself again para may extra ako. But yeah, I really like this. Kaya hindi ko kasi nadala yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na gusto kong concealer from the SEM. So, yung color corrector nila. So, maganda yun to cover my, pigmentation, yung aking freckles. So, yeah.
So that's all we did today. We went to the cafe beer mech coffee, tawagin siya guys. Yung may mga daming teddy bear. So, nakita ko din yun sa TikTok kaya pinuntahan namin. Mga layo siya dito sa hotel namin. It's like 50 minutes drive talaga siya. So, pinuntahan talaga namin. So, yun lang yung ganap namin today actually. Sabi ko kasi sa self ko, I don't wanna rush myself. Gusto ko chill lang. So, since kami na lang din naman natira dito, so gusto ko lang, you know, chill lang. No, that's yucky. My gosh, this is nilalagay sa mouth. This is his cream para sa kanyang bambam. Maglagay ng bambam. Anyway, oh. Kain tayo. Jollibee. Kasi close na yung gusto namin kainan.
Mommy, that's the same as ice cream and...
Yung kanilang spaghetti. Kain. You like it, Kai? The circus that we watch, we have to
You know, the circus we watched was so amazing. There's like little dragons, so cute. They were like dancing, and it was so loud. It was like, and then it fell asleep. Then they were trying to wake it up. Fell asleep, wake it up.
So nice, guy.
Yeah.
Doing the circus.
Yeah.
But and her mom didn't come, so we have to lucky yung friend bought it by in half price.
Yung kami yun? Yung kami tomorrow. Last is gonna be the last night.
Last
She's,
night. Yeah, she said she's going to serve.
This is so yummy, guys. Yeah.
It was a good place there actually.
hmm?
It's a good place to eat there.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your love if you have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I, I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living